Hey everyone, welcome back. Time to level up your PowerShell skills one command at a time. In today's video, we're diving into network troubleshooting using two essential PowerShell commands: test connection and Get-NetIPConfiguration. These tools will help you quickly test connectivity, identify IP configurations, and troubleshoot network issues, all from the PowerShell terminal. Let's jump in. Test connection is PowerShell's version of the classic ping command. It lets you check if a remote host is reachable and measure network latency. This command sends 4 ICMP packets to lab.tempac.org by default. It returns the response time, which helps you determine if the host is up and how fast it's responding. Want to send more or fewer packets? Use the count parameter to customize how many echo requests are sent. This sends only 2 packets instead of 4. Useful for quick tests. You can test a host by name or IP address. This works great for checking if specific machines or services are online. Here we're pinging the local computer's hostname, but can be any hostname within the network to see if the computer can be reached. When writing scripts, you might want to silently test connectivity and get a simple true or false result. Use the quiet parameter. This returns true if the host is reachable or false if it's not. Perfect for if statements. Here's a basic script that checks if a host is online and displays a custom message. This is ideal for building network health checks or automated monitoring. Very simple and easy to add jobs that check network connectivity. Get-NetIPConfiguration shows you detailed IP settings for each network adapter, including your IP address, subnet, gateway, and DNS settings. This command is a more structured and readable alternative to the older IP protocol configuration/all. It's especially useful when working with multiple adapters or troubleshooting network issues. If you want info about a specific adapter, filter by interface alias. This filters the output and shows you only the configuration for the Ethernet adapter. Let's format the output to only show the most important information like IP address and DNS servers. This creates a cleaner report of your IP settings, perfect for logging or monitoring. Here's a script that only shows network interfaces that have an IPv4 address assigned. This helps you isolate active network interfaces quickly during troubleshooting. Test connection and Get-NetIPConfiguration are powerful tools for diagnosing network issues in PowerShell. Whether you're checking if a server is online or reviewing IP settings, these commands should be part of every IT pro's toolbox. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any network tips or PowerShell questions you have. See you in the next video.